This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. Prepare to be blown away with this Brewer floor plan from Craft that features over $100,000 in upgrades. This particular model is no longer in production, making it highly coveted with a balcony and second floor Casita suite. The owners of this property have created an ultimate oasis. The minute you enter the front door of the Casita, you will be invited to a Travertine courtyard with a built-in spa that is covered by a sliding deck and an outdoor shower. The chef will appreciate the 316-grade stainless steel modern outdoor kitchen by Fesfoc with 36 propane grill, sink, onyx marble prep area, charcoal grill, imported from Barcelona, Spain. You have an outdoor refrigerator and separate refrigerated beer tap. Custom in-wall propane fire feature. Full studio suite on second floor of Casita, with full kitchen, bathroom, and accommodations including Murphy bed with convertible couch, built-in wardrobes, full micro kitchen with fridge/freezer, cooktop, sink, microwave, custom designed and imported from Mobilspazio in Italy. The Casita offers a living space that can be used as an office or a gym. The main home is stunning with a gorgeous kitchen, quartz counters, island, built-in oven and microwave and a pot filler. The living room flows with beautiful built-in cabinetry and is a perfect entertaining layout. Retreat upstairs to your owner's suite with a tray ceiling, French doors to a private balcony and fabulous ensuite. You'll love the large frameless shower with rain head shower feature. The second bedroom leads to a massive brick paver balcony that is great for sunning and an extra outdoor living space. The third bedroom is spacious and offers wonderful natural lighting. The garage has great features with a concrete countertop and cabinets continued from indoor kitchen, garage sink, garage beverage refrigerator, epoxy floor and plumbed for an extra washer. Smart home features entire home operates traditionally, switch/key, or complete home control from phone via SM. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski at 407-462-7736.